Hi, and welcome to the Merrill Manufacturing YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be showing you how to install our AnyFlow series hydrant. This procedure applies to the installation of all Merrill frost-proof hydrants. Dig up the old hydrant and remove. Prior to installation, flush the water line to remove debris. It's important to note that this installation was done by professionals. For non-professionals, we recommend shutting off the water line after flushing and before installing the new hydrant. With the water line shut off, you may now begin the installation of the new hydrant. Begin by applying a good quality pipe dope to the threads of all fittings. With the pipe dope applied, hand tighten the hydrant. Finish tightening by placing a pipe wrench on the hex of the hydrant inlet and a second pipe wrench on the hydrant elbow to tighten one turn beyond hand height. When using a poly or flexible pipe, use the proper fitting to attach to the hydrant. Be sure to place a brick or flat rock under the hydrant, as this supports the hydrant when the soil gets wet. Before backfilling the trench, operate the hydrant several times to ensure proper functionality and drainage, and be sure to check for leaks from the fittings. Pour at least 12 inches of coarse rocks around the hydrant, and then backfill the trench, being careful not to move or damage the water line or the hydrant. This completes the installation of your new Merrill yard hydrant. For questions, products, or more information, please visit our website at www.merrillmfg.com. Find us on Facebook at Merrill Manufacturing Co. or call us at 800-831-6962. Thanks for watching.